Hey Jack, so this is going to be my entry for your train cleaning room contest that I'm excited to hopefully win. So let me show you what I got going on. Okay, so this is the before picture. I mean, look at how messy my workstation is. Needs a lot of organization. I've even got stuff in my chair. I've got stuff under here. I mean, you can see I got stuff everywhere. I'm hoping to get my dog bed down there, but I mean, look, there's just stuff everywhere. And it's because I'm still in the process of building. I know this looks junked up, but this ain't nothing but trains. That's got to go out on the layout, but I haven't got that far yet. Look, I've even got stuff over here. And in there. So, yeah, you want to talk about a junked up room? Man, now you have given me a reason to finally get some of this crap out of here. So, the totes will probably stay because they're in totes, and I just need a place for them. And I'll probably clean this up, but this will probably stay as well. But I definitely need to organize it all. The wood cart has to stay because I got a wood stove and because I'm in my garage. It's much easier to burn dry wood instead of wet wood because it's raining outside right now. Definitely get that roll of carpet out of here. So I'm just letting you look. Definitely got a little bit of cleaning to do. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy, bud. I'll come back here a little bit farther. So yeah, I definitely got some things to do. Oh, and I do remember when you were on my live stream the last time, you were laughing at the propane company. So I figured I'd just go ahead and show you that. Go ahead and put you back in tears. So, alright, bud. Well, that's my before. Hopefully in a few days, I'll have a lot of this cleaned up. So, alright, Jack. You got to see what I've done. Your mind's going to be blown. I didn't get to everything I wanted to, but I got quite a bit of it done. So, let me show you. I guess let me start off by just giving you the wow factor, except for the trains back there on the back. So everything is stored in the storage compartments below. Even moved in my office chair that I still need to clean. But this is for the person working the yard. They can actually sit down and run trains if they wanted to. If not, they can move it out. I got rid of all the stuff up here on the top, except for right here. That's just nothing but cork row bed track and the aluminum screen, which I use for my landscaping. Which, I mean, that's really the only spot I had for it for the time being. Because I'm still working back here. So, yeah. All the plywood and stuff that's over there, yep, it's gone. It's out in the shed where it belongs. Same with the tools. I still have some boards and stuff there, but I mean, it's out of the way, so it's fine. It's kind of neat. And I've got spare wood pieces there that will slowly go down as needed. I've got building kits down there. That's some of my regular garage stuff. Same down there. I've got all of my flock and stuff organized. These are all signs and stuff that I plan on putting back up later. So I got quite a few of those. I did not get to that, which is nothing really train related. This is more like the garage side of the train room, I guess you could say. And I didn't get to that, but this will be the next thing that goes out to the shed. I've got to rearrange the shed a little bit to get some more in there. And it's raining outside. And it's cold and wet. And I'm not doing it today. And I'm not going to have time to do it Monday or Tuesday because we have things going on. As far as my desk goes, I got it mostly cleaned off except for the things that I use quite a bit. Laptop there with JMRI on it. But I did clean this all back here. That is my AC unit for the summertime. So I have to leave that connected. That shelving was actually turned around in front of the file cabinet. And I did clean that off too. So if my dogs want to come out here, I will put that on the ground for them. And if you're wanting to know, I have 2 Great Danes. So it's a big pet bed. And here's the wow factor. Nothing underneath. How about that? So hopefully you'll consider this a major improvement for the, not 1, but 2 of those hopper cars. Because I could really use more hopper cars on the layout to go with that. I still got to paint the elevator, but the silos are done. So I still got to paint the top, the walkway along the top of it, but those are done. So, all right, well, here's my submission video, before and after. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for the opportunity. Bye.